another. If you belt out a show tune while you're having sex with one of us, it is in fact called singing in the rain.
Last one for me. Yes, we are both named Rayne, but if we show up somewhere unexpectedly together, please do not call it a flash flood.
Oh, okay. I have one more. If one of us ever has sex with the president, we will definitely go from Rayne to Stormy? Okay, then let's bring out our first presenters of the night. Please welcome to the stage
Emily Willis, Alina Lopez,